क्या आपको पता है मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन गर्ल्स में मैट्रेसेस नहीं है लेकिन फैन है. As 88% of Indian households have fans in their home while only 72% of them have mattresses. और इसका एक रीजन है, as fan is a one-time purchase which you can buy in just 1 month of saving. You can always buy a better air conditioner, but there's no such replacement for fan. And fan industry has been growing at a 10% rate year on year. And some even say that it is a recession-proof industry. और अगर आप ऐसी कंपनीज फाइंड कर सकते हैं जो कि लीड कर रही हैं इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक अ बिग प्रॉफिट. इंडिया ईच ईयर बायज 40 million फैंस, बट एज अ ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन फैमिली व्हेन वी गो फॉर अप्लायंस शॉपिंग, हम हमेशा 5-star रेटिंग को ढूंढते हैं, वेदर इट्स ऑन रेफ्रिजरेटर, वॉशिंग मशीन एंड सम अदर डिवाइसेस, बट वी इग्नोर फैंस. एंड फैंस एक्चुअली कंट्रीब्यूट 25% टू द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. सपोज कि आपका 1000 रुपीज का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल है, उसमें से फैंस 250 कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट, एज ओनली 5% ऑफ फैंस एक्चुअली गेट देयर star rating, and as a consequence only 3 out of 10 households are actually using energy efficient fans. But as of 1st January 2023, Bureau of Energy Efficiency is completely revamping the situation, जहाँ पे हर फैन को उसकी स्टार रेटिंग दी जाएगी. And this is the revolution I was talking about. As इसके through energy efficient fans are getting popularity. As normal conventional fan में एक induction motor होती है जो कि top speed पे uses 75 watt of energy, while super efficient fan has brushless direct current, which at top speed consumes only 35 watt of energy. And there was even a research done जहाँ पे अगर आपके घर में 4 conventional fans हैं, and if you switch to super efficient fans, you can additionally save 6,000 in your electricity bill. ये BLCD fans हैं, इनमें less moving parts as compared to normal conventional fan, जिससे आपको maintenance cost में भी कम खर्चा हो. लेकिन एक hurdle है that these BLCD fans cost twice as much as conventional fans. Bureau of Energy Efficiency also has to make a lot of awareness before people can make a switch. But पैसे बचाने के मामले में we Indians are the best, as we should not forget how India switched from normal bulbs to LED bulbs within few years, as the sales of LED in 2014 were just 5 million. While in 2018 it jumped to 670 million. So it's just about time when we switch to these BLCD fans from conventional fans, and thus this is a revolution in making. Now this is where you can make a lot of money, as if you can find the companies that are making these BLCD fans in future, it is definite that their sales will shot up and you can gain a lot of profit.